after 56 hard-fought and pulsating matches in the group stage of the Indian T20 League, we finally shift to the qualifiers. We finally shift to the playoffs, which are the most anticipated part of the tournament. Hello everyone, my name is Shayanthu Sengupta and welcome back to another MSP video presented by CricTracker. This is the qualifier 1 between the Delhi and the Chennai franchisees who finished in the first and the second positions respectively after the group stage of the tournament, and it will be a mouth-watering battle between two wicketkeeper captains. On one end we have Rishabh Pant, on the other hand we have the Ice Cool MS Dhoni. But before I start with the video, I would request all of you to like, comment and share if you like the video, and also subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an update from us. So let's quickly dive deep into the video. Now if you take a look at the probable playing 11 of the Delhi franchisee are coming on the back of a narrow loss against the Bangalore franchisee in the last league stage game. If you take a look at the probable playing 11, then opening the batting will be Prithvi Shaw and Shikhar Dhawan. Both of them scored a lot of runs in the previous game. Both of them scored gritty knocks. At number 3 will be Shreyas Iyer, who is actually in good touch. At number 4 will be the wicketkeeper batsman and the captain of the ship, Rishabh Pant. At number 5 will be a toss-up between Steve Smith and Ripple Patel. At number 6 will be the Caribbean powerhouse in the form of Shimron Hetmyer. At number 7 will be Akshar Patel, and then the 4 bowlers in the form of the 2 pacers from South Africa in the form of Kagiso Rabada and Hendrik Nokia, the off spinner, the veteran off spinner of the Indian cricket team and also the Delhi team, Ravichandran Ashwin, and lastly Avesh Khan. So this will be the probable playing 11 of the Delhi franchisee, and they will be looking to actually have a smooth process to the final by winning this game. Now if you take a look at the probable playing 11 of the Chennai franchisee, then opening the batting will be Ruturaj Gaikwad and Faf du Plessis, a pair that has been performing really well. In number 3 will be Robin Uthappa. Robin Uthappa will be very eager to leave an imprint before the mega auctions which happens next year. At number 4 will be Moeen Ali, who is not yet fired in the second phase of the tournament, or the second phase of the Indian T20 League 2021 edition. At number 5 will be Ambati Rayudu, followed by the captain of the ship and one of the most experienced players in the Indian circuit, MS Dhoni. Then talismanic all-rounder Ravindra Jadeja will come in at number 7. There's always a lot of responsibilities under Ravindra Jadeja because he has to finish the innings, and Chennai have been lagging at that particular front. Followed by the 4 bowlers in the form of Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar, Dwayne Bravo and Josh Hazlewood. Always the Chennai team's bowling department has been their strength, and they will be looking to actually play well in this particular match. Now if we take a look at the head-to-head battle between both the teams, then Chennai have a better head-to-head record when it comes to the overall record against the Delhi franchisee. They've won on 15 occasions and Delhi have managed to win only on 10 occasions. Now if we take a look at the record since 2018, then the Delhi franchisee have a slight edge over the Chennai franchisee. They've won on 5 occasions and Chennai have won only on 4 occasions. Now if we take a look at the stadium in which this game will be played, it will be played at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium in Dubai. The average first inning score over here is 143. Teams that have chased have won on 5 occasions and have lost on 0 occasions in the last 5 games. Now if we take a look at few of the individual stats and milestones in this game, then if we take a look at Dwayne Bravo is just 1 wicket away from completing a world feat of 550 wickets. Next if we take a look at Akshar Patel, then Akshar Patel is just 5 wickets away from scalping 100 wickets in the Indian T20 League. Next if we take a look at the Delhi captain Rishabh Pant, then Rishabh Pant is just 59 runs away from completing 2500 runs in the Indian T20 League. And lastly if we take a look at Ambati Rayudu, then he's just 1 6 away from completing 200 sixes in T20 cricket. So a lot of records that can actually be broken, a lot of stats and milestones that can be achieved in this game. Now if we take a look at few of the individual player battles, then if we take a look at Deepak Chahar versus Prithvi Shaw, it will be one of the most mouth-watering clashes because Deepak Chahar has dismissed the Delhi opener on 6 occasions. Yes, you heard me right. It is 6. The number is 6. That is the number of times Prithvi Shaw has been dismissed by Deepak Chahar in the Indian T20 League. But Prithvi Shaw has also scored 62 runs against the Chennai bowler. Next, if we take a look at Faf du Plessis versus Kagiso Rabada, then Kagiso Rabada has dismissed Faf du Plessis on 2 occasions. And lastly, if we take a look at the face-off between Ravindra Jadeja and Rishabh Pant, then Jadeja has dismissed Rishabh Pant on 2 occasions. So with that, we come to an end to this particular MSP video presented by Cricktracker. I hope you like the content. My name is Shanto Shengupto, and before I go, I would request all of you to head to our Telegram channel, because this is a place where you'll be getting the best kind of cricket content when it comes to match fantasy tips and also when it comes to the match combos. Also subscribe to our channel so that you get the best kind of updates from us. So thank you so much guys. Please stay home and take care.